So Yeats says, in this quote, he says, "A poet never speaks directly as to someone at the breakfast table." So my poem takes issue, and it's called "A Portrait of the Reader with a Bowl of Cereal." Every morning I sit across from you at the same small table, the sun all over the breakfast things, curve of a white and blue picture, a dish of berries, me in a sweatshirt or robe, you invisible. Most days we are suspended over a deep pool of silence. I stare straight through you or look out the window at the garden, the powerful sky, a cloud passing behind a tree. There is no need to pass the toast, the pot of jam, or pour you a cup of tea, and I can hide behind the paper, rotate in its drum of calamitous news. But some days I may notice a little door swinging open in the morning air, and maybe the tea leaves of some dream will be stuck to the china slope of the hour. Then I will lean forward, elbows on the table, with something to tell you, and you will look up, as always, your spoon dripping milk, ready to listen. This poem is called Monday, very pedestrian. So foolish, my long bebop solo begins by saying, so damn foolish, we have become beautiful without even knowing it. Thank you.